Good afternoon. Good afternoon. Good afternoon, Peter. Good afternoon, Patrick. Good afternoon, Krishalini. Good afternoon, beloved. Good afternoon, Daniel. Good afternoon, Rennie. Good afternoon, Lewis. Good afternoon, Chakwara. Good afternoon, Melissa. Good afternoon, madam. Hello, madam. Madam. Okay, I think madam wants to talk to you. We'll just wait for 2 minutes. Madam, can you try now to talk? Nalini, madam, can you now try to talk?
Um, Hello.
Hello, madam. Yes, we can hear you now.
Yeah. Dharmdev,
Yes, madam.
yeah, I was talking to your management, Divya and Soumya.
Okay.
I
Okay.
think
Okay.
I didn't unmute, so this
Okay.
this this meeting was also on. Yeah,
Oh,
I was
okay.
talking to the management regarding the tie-up
Okay. Okay. Fine.
with
Okay.
my university here, so international tie-up. So I'm
Okay.
from
Okay.
Bangalore. I'm from
Okay. Okay.
Bangalore. Mm,
Okay.
I know Jain University very well.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. So you want to address the
Sorry for
student?
that. Not really.
Okay, that's fine. I thought you were from Jain.
Yeah. Yeah. At the same time, when you connected Divya and Soumya connected, so therefore,
Okay.
yeah. Sorry
Okay.
for that.
Okay. Okay.
You
Okay.
can
Thank
go
you.
ahead. Thank you.
Thank you. Good afternoon, all. Can you please recall what topic um, we were doing with the last class? Can anyone recall it? Can you hear me? Yeah. Fine. I'm just giving you some values to work on. So you can unmute yourself. I think you can unmute yourselves. I'll ask a quick questions. Try to make it up. Okay. So 1/4. What's the percentage value of 1/4? 1/4. Make it fast. Either in the chat box or you can on your mic. 1/4. 1/4. Much more faster. The speed is not enough. Okay. 1/7. 1/7.
14.28%.
That was good. 1/12. 1/12. Make it fast. Was good. Next, 7/8. 7/8. Only Darshana was faster. No, Peter, you have to check again. No, Mensa is also wrong. 7/8. 7/8 in percentage. 7/8. 7/8 in percentage. What is 1 by 8? What is 1 by 8? Yes, what is 1 by 8? Yes, 12.5%. If 1 by 8 is 12.5%, how do I find 7 by 8? If 1 by 8 is 12.5%, how do I find 7 by 8? Yes, 12.5 into 7 or 100 minus 12.5. Okay, 100 minus 12.5. Yes, either the other way is 100 minus 12.5. Okay, I'm just sharing my screen. Just let me know, is it visible to you all? You remember the table, that's good. Okay, but you just missed with the answer. Any doubts? Okay, I'm just unmuting you all. Fine. So now let's take 1 by 8 is 12.5. I'm just giving you a recall so that we can do the topics very easily. Okay, 12.5%. When I say 7 by 8, how many parts are missing? 8 by 8 is 100. Yes, 8 by 8 is 100. So how much is missing out of 8 by 8? 8 by 8 is equals to 100%. Then how much is missing? One part, yes. So 12.5 or one part is missing. So 1 by 8 is missing. So what is one part? That is 12.5 percentage. So if I subtract that, 8 by 8 minus 1 by 8, I would get 7 by 8. Did you get that? Did you get it? Hundred minus 12.5. Yes. Okay. That's great. Now I'm giving you a question. I'm just trying to write it. If A is if A is receiving, I'm sorry, I hope my handwriting is understandable. If A is receiving 25 percentage more than B, 25 percentage more than B, more than B, B will receive how many percentage more or less than A? B will receive, B will receive, will receive how many percentage more or less than A? Now, take time, read the question twice, try to understand, don't give the answer immediately, think and give me the answer. If you give me answer for this, most of your topic is over, if you understand the concept for this. B will receive how many percentage more or less than A? All your answers are wrong. That's why I mean that please do take some time. Is the screen visible now? Vivian, are you able to see the screen now? Yeah, Jimmy got the right answer. Okay, so now I'm just giving you the shortcuts. Most of you have got the answer. Few yet to. I'll tell you what are the methods to solve this question. If you understand this, lots of questions based on this, we will solve it. Okay, the first one, 25 percentage. Yeah, that's good. 25 percentage. What is the fraction value of 25 percentage? What is the fraction value of 25 percentage? 1 by 4. That was good. The 1 by 4 is equal to 25 percentage. Okay, fine. Now let this be. We'll come back to this. Before that, let's understand the question. A is receiving 25 percentage more than B, or A receives 25 percentage more than B. A is 25 more than B. Yeah, so A is plus 25 percentage. So now, when I say he is receiving 25 percentage more, what is the actual value? When I say he is receiving 25 percentage more, what is the actual value? Hmm. Okay. Okay. Now let me give an example. Let's say Annie has $1,000. So beloved is having $1,500. Now Annie has $1,000. So I would say that for Annie, that's $1,000 is 100 percentage. Is it true or false? For Annie, for her amount, what she has with her is 100%. Is that true or false? Annie has $1,000. For her, it is 100 percentage. Yes, Annie's $1,000. For herself, it is 100 percentage. Are you clear with that? Okay, now let's say that beloved is having $1,500. For beloved, yes, for beloved, it's going to be the $1,500. For himself, it's going to be 100 percentage. For himself, it is 100%. Are you getting the idea? Whatever the money you have, for you, it is 100%. Are you clear with that? Are you clear with that? Yes. Now, see, understand the concept well like this. I'll give you whatever the n number of questions. By looking at the option, you can answer. So for that, you need to understand the concept well. Okay, that's why I'm just trying to make this concept well. This one question is equal to two topics. Just like that, you can finish it in a day. Don't worry at all. But concentrate. Yes, whatever the money you have, for you, it is $100. Sorry, 100%. Now let us compare. Okay, Annie and beloved are compared each other. Now there comes who is more or less. Okay, when I don't compare, they are individually 100%. When I compare them, one is more and the other is less. Are you getting it? When I compare between two members or three or whatever it is, when it comes for a comparison, now I can have to say that either they are more than or less than or equal to something I have to say. Other than that, then it is not needed. Individually, they are 100%. Yes. So Annie is more than beloved. No. Annie is $1,000. Beloved is $1,500. Annie is $1,000. Beloved is $1,500. Beloved is more than Annie. Got it? Okay, yes. Annie is less than beloved. That's also fine. Okay. Now, I'm going into the question. Just wait. Now, A is receiving 25% more than B, then B is receiving how many percentage? B alone is receiving how many percentage? A is receiving 25% more than B, then B is receiving how many percentage? B alone receives 100%. Yes. For them individually, they are 100. When I compare only, then it counts for more or less. Now A is compared with B. Now A is how many percentage? A is compared with B, then A is receiving how many percentage? Yes, that was good. 125%, Musabika. Check it again. A is receiving more than B, not less than B. A is receiving more than B. Got it? Yes, that's good. I'll tell you the shortcuts. Your mathematical calculations have it. Okay, fine. So now A is compared with B. So that, see, I'm teaching you as concept. Don't take it as only the question. Like this, there are hundreds of thousands of questions. If you understand the concept over here, over there, it will become very easy. Please do concentrate. Stop typing the answer explanations. I know your answer is right. Please do hold on. For one question, don't sacrifice your time. I'm teaching you the concept. Please do listen. Okay, 25% he is more and he is 100%. Now, A is said to be 25% more than B. Since A is compared with B, I say A is more. A is compared with B, so that I say A is more. Are you clear with that? A is compared with B, so that I say A is more. Are you clear with the statement? A is compared with B, so that I say that A is more. Then, who is the reason to say that A is more? Understand the question. Who is the reason to say that A is more? Yes, B is the reason. So B is called as the base value. B is called as the base value. Are you clear with that? So the what is the base value? That is 100. So now two ways to do it. So how do we do it is, the first case, I would subtract them both and find how much A is more and find the percentage of it to say that this is just proving the statement A is receiving 25 percentage more than B. Okay, now based on this calculation, when I simplify, yes, I get 25 percentage more. Did you get that? This is for A. A is receiving 25 percentage more than B. My answer is in positive. Yes, it's more. The second method is A divided by B into 100. A divided by B into 100. So in this method, I would say that A got 125, B got 100, and I simplify them. So I came to know A is getting 125. That means how much it is more than 100. The second method, A is getting 125 divided by B is 100. So I know that it is 125 percentage. So I can say that A is receiving more than 100. How much did A receive? More than 100. How much did A receive? I'm just sorry, just give me a second. More than 100. How much did A receive? Yeah, so 125 by 100 into 100, that is equal to 125. That means it is 25 more than 100. It is 25 percentage more than 100. More than 100. Are you clear with this? It's 25 percentage more than 100. Are you clear with that? Any doubts? Good. So I have taught you two methods. This method is a classical method where you will be using for your number of topics. And yes, the second method also you can use it. These all are classic method. That means the standard method where you adopt it. But understand in the first one, I've already subtracted and just simplifying. Second one, I've taken the total value. A divided by B into 100, whatever it is, I have to subtract it with 100 to say how much it is more or less. Are you clear with that? Are you clear with that? Vivian, don't look for the answer. Try to understand the concept. Vivian, you're making a mistake. You're concentrating on where is the answer. I'm asking you to concentrate on the concept. Got it, Vivian? Please do concentrate on the concept, not on the answer. Okay, now here I was talking about only the first statement. If A is receiving 25 percentage more than B. Understood the statement, right? Yes, it is proved. A is getting 25 percentage more than B. Now let's come for B. Understand, universal philosophy. When one is getting more, the other one has to get. When one is getting more, then the other one has to get. If one is getting more, the other one has to get. If one is getting more, the other one has to get less. Yes. Now I said that A is getting more than B. Then B will get more or less than A. B is going to get less than A. Okay, B will get less than A. So A is receiving more than B, or in this case, B is receiving less than A. Clear with that, right? Now let us prove it. As we know, the value of B is 100% and the value of A is 125%. Yes. Are you clear with that? So B is 100, A is 125. Now let me do on the first method. Now I know that B is less. How do I know that B is less? How do I know that B is less? How do I know that B is less? I know A is more when I compared with B. I know B is less. How do I know that? Yes, because B is compared with A. Okay, so B is compared with A. Are you clear with that? B is compared with A. Yes. Okay, good. So now I'm using the same method, same these two methods, but this time, who is the base value? In the previous question, when I compare A to B, B is the base value. When I compare B to A, who is the base value? A is the base value. So 125 is the base value. In both the methods, A is going to be the base value. Now, in the second method, it's going to be B by A into 100. Okay, in the first method, I'm going to subtract B is 100, A is 125 into 100. So when you simplify the first method, how much do you get? So this is 4, this is 5, dividing in 25 tables. And 100 minus 25 is minus 25, negative 25. Negative 25 by 5 into 4. So how much do you get? You get negative 20. Negative 20 means B is getting 20% less. Understood the meaning for negative 20? B is receiving 20% less. Are you clear with that? Good. Now let's come for the second one. A by B into 100. Okay, that is 100 by 125. Sorry, B by A into 100. Okay, B by A into 100. So 100 by 125 into 100. What's the answer? 100 by 125 into 100. What is the answer? So 100 is for 4. This is for 5. It's Krishalini has not solved. You will not get 20. I accept your confidence level, but still. Okay, so you're going to get it as 80%. When I say 80%, now either I have to add or subtract by 100. So in the previous question, I know that it's 125, it's 125, it's 25 more. It's now 80. Then how much it is less? How much it is less? Yes, it's 20% less. That's all. Clear with that? Okay. Musabika has a question and Vivian has a question. Only you both can unmute yourself. Musabika and Vivian. Make it fast. I'll come to the first method. I want you to understand these both.
Hi, sir.
Yes, Musabika. Hi.
I'm not getting clearly how you get an answer to 20%.
Okay, what do you don't get? What do you don't get, Musabika?
I'm not getting clearly how you find the 20%.
So for which one? For the first method or for the second method?
For first method.
You have to simplify. Okay, 100 minus 125, how much it is?
Minus 25.
Negative 25, right?
Yeah.
Okay, when I say it is negative 25, that means my answer should also be negative. This is in 25th table, this is 4 times and this is 5 times. Okay?
Yeah.
Are you clear with that? So negative 25 divided by 5 into 4, my answer is negative 20. That means in percentage, it is 20% less. Are you clear with that?
Well, yes, sir.
When I get the answer in negative, that means it is less. When I get the answer in positive, that means it is more.
Yeah. Can you write the first concept?
Yeah, I've written here. Is the board is visible? I've written it here. Can you see?
Yeah.
In a separate screen, I have written. Can you see that?
Means that B minus A over A times 100 is the first concept.
Yes, B minus A divided by A. A is the base value into 100. It changes. How do you compare? It changes. If I'm comparing A to B, then that is A minus B by B into 100.
Yeah.
Clear with that, right?
Yeah, right.
Okay. Any other doubts? That's fine. Now it's a turn of Vivian. Yes, Vivian, what was your doubt?
Sir, I understand your workings, but
okay.
My opinion for the question was
okay.
The question was if A, what was the question? If A is receiving 25% more than B, you find what? Okay, yeah, if is receiving 25% more than B, B will receive how many less than A? Okay, my worry is why have we assumed that the percentage for B is 100? As per my opinion, we had to do like this. If A is receiving 25% more than B, I let B to be X. Now that I am not sure of the percentage of B, I'll assume B to be X. Now that A is 25 more than B, A value will be X 25%.
Okay.
Then I end up with
I'll give you an easy answer to understand. Why do you complicate your brain? Okay, I'll say you in a very simple way. So now don't take it as percentage. Okay, take it as money. I'm having $100 and you are A, you have $125. Now tell me how many dollars you have more than me?
25.
It's over. No mathematical concept to be involved. It's done. Even though you say that I get whatever money, when you get more than me, I'm going to subtract it. If I want it in percentage, I'm going to multiply it into 100. If I don't want that, I'm not going to multiply it into 100. When I want something in percentage, then I need a value over here called as base value, and I have to multiply it always into 100. No changes. This is the concept to find the percentage. That is what we have seen in the last 2 classes. When I multiply into 100, that means I want my answer in percentage. Did you get that?
Yes, sir. But another
Okay.
worry. Yeah. Okay. The question from the question, it's very clear that A is receiving 25 B, meaning if the vice versa, maybe if we are looking for the value of B less than A, it should remain to be 25. Why are the two answers contradicting themselves? Why are we getting 20?
Okay, now I'll tell you. Now you are getting the same $125 and I am getting $100. Okay, when you compare with me, you say that you are getting $25 more than me. Is that correct?
Yes.
Okay, now when I'm comparing myself with you, I will say that I'm getting $25 less than you. Is that correct?
Yes. Yes.
But is the money and the percentage, are they both equal?
Oh, not really.
Yeah, it is not. Okay, when I have my $100, if I'm earning only $100, that is 100% for me. If you are earning $125, that is 100% for you. Did you get it?
Yes.
So my value is bigger for me, your value is bigger for you. When it comes for the comparison, now I'm getting less. So I'm said as I'm getting less. Why? Because I'm compared with you. Am I right?
Yes.
You are the cost, so I will write you as the base value. Understood?
Yes.
So your $125 is how many percentage for me, how much I'm getting less than you. That's the count. Here it is not the count about the dollars, it's about the percentage. You are getting $125 and I'm getting just $100, and I'm very sure you are getting more. I'm comparing with you. Okay, so when you're getting 125, that is not out of 100 in the denominator. So how much I have to earn more to reach to 125? I have to earn more 20% to reach you. I don't want to earn 25%. I just want to earn only 20% to reach you because already I have 100. Are you getting it?
Okay.
So
Yeah.
when I'm comparing A to B, yes, when you compare you with me, I am the base. You are said you are getting more because of me, so I am in the denominator. Got it? Now
Yeah.
it is said
So
that yes.
So does it mean when getting involving comparison, we have to involve the concept of base value and the end of that, multiplying by 100.
Okay. So whenever it is being compared, so who is the reason for the comparison is the base value.
Okay. Thank you.
Okay, now I'll give you an easy example. Let's say, what's your climatic condition?
Yes.
What is your temperature? What is your temperature at your place right now?
I think it is. I'm not even sure. Maybe
It's okay,
5
just give
years.
me
I'm not sure. Maybe 40
25,
degrees Celsius.
40 degree. Okay. Now for me it is around 30 degree. Now you are more than me. Is that true?
Yes.
How do I know you are more than me? How much you are
Because
more
when
than
you
me?
compare
Yes.
by comparing
How much you are more than
the
me?
temperature,
You are 10 more than me. Is that true?
the difference between temperature degrees and yours.
Yeah, you are 10 more than me. So 10 divided by, you're compared with me. So it is by 30. And I simplify, I get 33%. But when I compare me with you, what happens? I'm 10 less than you. Am I correct?
Yes.
That my comparison, I'm set as less because of you. So I write that 40 over here. You are the base value. So now I get 25%. Both the denominators are not same, so I cannot get the same answer. Are you now getting it?
Oh, yes. So now one has to master the concept of the base value.
Yes. So you were all looking for how is the 25%, but I'm telling you, don't look at the 20%. Look at who is the reason for the 20%.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Okay, is your doubt clear now?
Yes.
Okay, that's great. Okay, anybody else have doubts? Anybody else? Okay, now I'm going for the first method. First method, keen, observe. You might get it right in one time. Okay, now let's come for the fraction values. 25% in fraction, how much it is? 25% in fraction, how much it is? 25% in fraction, not in decimal, in fraction. Okay, who is getting 1/4? More. Who is getting 1/4 more? That was good. A. So A is getting 1/4 more. Cleanly listen. Don't miss it out. It's just only a small addition. Then the other person will receive 1/5 less. I'm done. If a person receives 1/4 more, the other person will receive 1/5 less. Keep the numerator as it is. Whatever is the numerator over here, keep it as it is. And add this 1 with this. Whatever is the numerator, add it. Numerator divided by denominator is more. When I want to find the next person, how much he is less, the same numerator divided by numerator plus denominator, he is going to be less. That's all. Are you clear with the concept? Yes. So what is that 1/5 in percentage? What is 1/5 in percentage? What is 1/5 in percentage? 20. That's all. Now I'll ask you a simple question. If you can answer it, it will be done. Is the screen is visible to you all? Is the screen is visible to you all? Yes. I'm taking a new page. I'm just making a table column. Okay. If a person receives 1/4 more, the other person will receive 1/5 less. Is that true? Yes. Now, let's say that a person is receiving 1/5 more. What will the other person receive? That's all done. Peter got the answer. That means he was fast enough. 1/6. Addition, beloved, addition. 1/4, 1/5. 1/5, 1/6. Okay, when I say 1/6, how much the other person will get less? Oh yes, 1/7 less. Okay, clear with that, right? Yeah. Now I'm giving you, this is the case of when A gets more and B gets less. Now let's say A is getting less, then B will get A is getting less, then B will get more. A is getting 1 by 4 less. If you answer for this question, then the concept is good. Yes, Menza, you're correct now. Then B is going to get 1 by 3 more. That's all. See, the concept is over. See, remember, numerator stays the same. And here now, numerator and denominator subtracted. Here in this case, numerator remains the same and they are added. Yes, let's say I'm taking a risk of doing 2 by 5. 40% a person is less. Then the other person will be 2 divided by 5 minus 3 or 5 minus 2, 3. Then he's going to get 66%, 66.60% more. That's all. Are you getting it? Let's take in this, the other one. You can check it mathematically, no worries. 2 by 5, if this person is more, then this person will be 2 by 7 less. That's all. Yes, I would like to prove it. Okay, I hope I would not make a mistake living on my concept and shortcuts. So let's say A is getting 40% more, okay, and B has to receive less. Let's check it. Now he is receiving 40% more. That means he is 140 and he is 100. Now who is compared? I want to compare B to A. That means B is less than A. Then who is the base value? A is the base value. How much? 40 into 100. Okay, I'm simplifying it. See, I get only 2 by 7. 2 by 7 is nothing but 28.5714%. No changes. Is that proved? Is that proved? That's all, it's done. You can apply this for any concept related to this. Okay, doesn't matter at all. Any topic which comes with this, one is getting more, one is getting less, prove it. That can be proved with this. You will get the answer for sure. Just now I can say 2 by 5, then that is 2 by 7 less. It's so easy. Oh yeah, sure. Now my question is, do you want 50% more or less? A wants to receive 50% more or less? More. Okay, A gets 50% more. That means he is 150%. And B remains 100%. Let's, yes, Vivian. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Can I change? Is your screenshot done? Any doubts? That's good. Okay, 50% more. So comparing B to A, who is the base value? Saying that B is less, then who is the base value? A, yes. 50% means 1 by 2 more, then that should be 100%. Yes, so 150 of, I need numerator to add. Okay, so it is 1 by 3 less. Okay, then 150, then subtracting them both, it is 50 into 100. Look carefully, you will get the same. Nothing much to do. It's 50, so 10 times, or I'll simplify this. Okay, it's fine. And this is 3, so it is 100 by 3. or 1 by 3 into 100. 33.33%. That's all. Is that proved? Are you getting it? What is 1 by 3 in percentage? Oh, sure. 7 by 10% more, then it's going to be 7 by 17% less. But I want you to find what is 7 by 17%. Now take a look. You wanted 70% more. You take how high the value doesn't matter at all. If I take 70% more, the base value is 170, and the difference between the 7 times 100. Yes, you get the same, no changes. Got it right? So 170 minus 100. So I get negative 70 by 17 into 10. Or I can say it as 700 by 17. Yes, percentage value is going to be the same. Is that now okay? Is it okay now? 38.88%. Yes. 38.88. Over here the same. Yes, it will be same. See, you don't get anything different. Yes, it is same. Yes, Lewis, it is the same. Are you clear with that? Are you okay with the concept? First of all, let's break the myth. Math doesn't have anything called as formula. Where you apply on the final step is called as formula. If you know the concept, you make your own formula. This is just a concept. Don't try to learn formula. There's nothing to do with formulas. This is the concept. This is the way to solve. Got it? I'm trying, do not concentrate, nothing much called as formula at all. Aptitude and or different. Yeah, if you understand the concept, then you have the answer ready. If you have the formula, then you have to solve it. You get that? Shall we go with the next one? Okay, just give me a minute. I'm just stopping the screen and then giving you with the next. Yeah, just give me a moment. I'm just sharing another screen to you all. I'll give you the questions, read it and keep spending. You can just solve it as fast as you can. Very simple question. Now I'm giving you the value also. Okay, so it's up to you either to use the value or without. Here is your first question. Can you see the screen? Can you see the screen? You solve it. I give you hardly 30 seconds. Solve it and tell me. And then we'll go on with the next. Very easy. No. Mensa is correct. Mensa's answer is correct. Itashana's answer is wrong. Yes, Itashana is now correct. Emmanuel, no. Read it twice, thrice. Just remember about the concept, what I told you. Try with that. Who is the base value? You have to identify. How do you know the population is increased or decreased? First, concentrate on that. Zubon was too late, I think, for the class. Now, Grigori, now. Vishalni, now. Okay, shall I solve it? Okay. In the city, population was 4,20,000 in 2015. In 2017, it was 5,60,000. Who is the base value? You know the population has been increased. This clearly given what was the percentage of growth in population. Who is the base value? By whom do you know that the population is increased? 4,20,000 is the base value. Yes. 2015 now. 2015, the year value is the base. You get it? So 4,20,000 would be the base. 5,60,000 minus 4,20,000 times 100. Did you get that? Who is the base value matters a lot. So subtracting them both, I get 140000 divided by 420000. So gone and gone times 100. So it's 1 by 3. 1 by 3 is 33.33%. Yes, Damo, that was good. Jimmy, you were late this time, but still okay. You got the answer. 33.33%. Who is the base value? It's okay, Treasure. Who is the base value? You have to have a trace on that. Only then you'll get the answer. Are you clear with that? Any doubts? Good. I'm giving you another question. I'll just try to give something. Yes, always the base value should be the initial one. Okay. I'm giving you the next question, might be the next topic, but the way to find is going to be the same. I'll just show you that. The other topics, when you read it, you will understand what is a topic. Okay. Then Shriya, it's okay. It's okay. Please do follow with the class. Okay. Okay, here's your next question. The problem with the shopkeeper and the customer, it always happens. I hope you accept that. Yes? Do you accept that? Always there is a problem with the shopkeeper and the customer. Now the question is based on the same. What is the issue between them? We are going to check it. Here's your second question. I'm telling you, read it, take some time, no hurry. When you say that this is the reason it is more, this is the reason it is less, then let us solve it. There is no hurry at all. Okay? Concept matters, not the question. Think about the concept. See, you need not to solve. If you read and understand the question, you will get the answer. You need not to solve it all. Okay. Anybody wants time or shall we solve it? Good. See, I'll tell you the meaning of the question. I hope you'll give me the answer. A dishonest shopkeeper attached a magnet in his weight machine. Due to that, he's gaining 200 grams per kg. Okay, here to understand, let's say 1 kg sugar may cost some $10. Okay with that? Damu, calm down. It's not so much. It's just 200 grams. It's not 2000 grams. Okay, fine. Listen to the question carefully. 1 kilogram is equal to $10. You are paying. You are paying for 1 kg $10. Is that you are really you're getting 1 kg? Is that you're really getting 1 kg? What is the actual amount you're getting? You are going to shop to buy 1 kg, but 200 grams you're getting less, but you're giving the cost of 1 kg. Is that true or false? Yes, Mainza, that is right. You are paying only for 800 grams because of the magnet. Because of the magnet, for 1 kg, that is 1000 grams, you pay only for 800 grams, assuming that you paid for 100,000 grams. Are you getting it? As per you, on your mind, you fix that you are paying for 1000 grams, but the shopkeeper is selling only 800 grams. Is it profit or loss? Is it profit or loss? Okay. How much you are losing? How much you are losing? 200 grams. Yes. The 200 grams, can I say it's a profit for the shopkeeper? Can I say that the 200 grams is a profit for the shopkeeper and it's a loss for you? Is that right? Yes. Now let me say that 1 by 5 you are getting less. Then what will the shopkeeper get? You are getting 1 by 5 less. Are you sure with that? You are getting 1 by 5 less. You are not getting 100 grams. You are getting only 800 grams. So it is less. Then what I have to do? Subtract. He is getting 1 by 4 more. When I say he is getting less, he will be getting numerator minus denominator, which is more. Okay, he is 1 by 5 less, then he will get 1 by 4 more. Look here, the same thing I'm solving it. So 200 grams is what the loss for you divided by 800 into 100. Got it? So it is 1 by 4. That means for every 200 grams, the shopkeeper is getting 25% more. He's actually not selling 1000 grams, he's selling only 800 grams, and he's having a profit of 200 grams. That means he's getting 25%. Or I'll tell you another way, 800 grams is equals to $10. Yes, you're supposed to pay for 1000 grams $10. This is what is the actual amount. Right now you're paying for 800 grams $10. That means how many dollars you're paying more? Yes, 1 kilogram is equal to 1000 grams. For 200 grams, you're paying more. So 1 gram, or let's say for 100 grams, it is $1. Yes. Then for 800 grams, you should pay only $8. You should supposed to pay only $8, but you're paying $2 more for him. So that is nothing but 25%. The other way to understand. You're paying $2 more where you have to spend $8. Okay, but you're paying $10. You're paying $2 extra. Out of $8, he is getting $2 more. That means it is 1/4 or 25%. Are you clear with that? You clear with that? Are you clear with that? Any doubts? Yep, sure. I'm just giving you the next question. Oh, just a minute. My screen is loading for you. Okay. Here is the next question. Might be slightly complicated, but still the same method. If you can understand the concept and apply it, you will get the answer for sure. Is that the screen visible? Is it visible? Okay, now the first question for you is it profit or loss? Is it a profit or loss? How much profit? How many articles profit? How many articles profit? 10 articles profit? Okay. Who is the base value? You know it is 10 more profit. How do you know it is profit? How do you know it is profit? Who is the base value? Who is the base value? 40, that is the selling price. Okay, see. Okay. Now let me make you all clear. Hidarshana's answer was right. Annie, can you unmute yourself? Only Annie can unmute herself. Annie? Annie?
Hello.
Yes, Annie. Hello, Annie. How are you?
I'm okay. How are you?
Okay. So now I'm having a question for you. Let's say you are a shopkeeper and I just lost my pen. Okay. I have a pen for you. You purchased this pen from me for $20. But costly. $20. Is that okay?
Mm-hmm.
You're selling it to your friend for $25. Is it profit or loss?
This profit
Okay. How do you say it is profit?
because the amount has increased from $20 to $25.
That's good. Now from how many articles it has become 40? From 50, it has been 40 articles. Did you get it?
Come again.
Now, there are already 50 articles. You know it is profit because he's selling only 40 articles for the same price. Right? You brought, let's say you brought 50 chocolates. Okay, you brought the 50 chocolates for $50 and you're selling it back 40 chocolates, that is also $50. That is what they mean. Now, is it a profit or loss for you?
I'm selling them at 40 or 50.
Okay, you got it 50 chocolates for $50. Now you are selling 40 chocolates for $50. Is it profit or loss?
It's loss.
No. See, you have 50 chocolates. You brought it for $50. That means what is the cost of one? What is the cost of one? $1?
It's $1.
For one chocolate, $1. Now you are selling 40 chocolates for $50. Are you selling it for more or less?
Sir, I didn't understand your question.
You are purchased 50 chocolates from me for $50. That means one chocolate, $1. Are you clear with that?
Yeah, I'm clear.
Now you're selling 40 chocolates for $50. Are you clear with that?
Yeah, I'm clear.
Did you sell it for higher price or lower price?
No, low price.
You did not sell still 10 chocolates. They are away. You are selling only 40 chocolates for $50. You're not selling all the 50 chocolates. You're selling only 40 chocolates.
This
Are you
means it's
getting
a
it?
loss. Yeah, yes.
You brought it. You brought 50 chocolates and you're selling 40 chocolates for the same price. Then is it a profit or loss?
It's loss.
It's a profit.
Oh.
Okay, it's a profit. Did you get it?
Yeah, I get it now.
Okay, you are selling only 40 chocolates. If you would have sold 60 chocolates for $50, then that's a loss. You are selling 40 chocolates for $50. It's a profit for you.
Oh, yes, sir.
Did you get that?
Yeah, I get it now.
Good. Now, here I got $1, one chocolate. Now 40 chocolates for $50. Then what is the cost of one? Can I say it is $1.2? $1.20. That means 50 by 40. What is the cost of one chocolate? So rupees by or dollars by chocolate. So I get 1.2. Are you getting it?
Yeah, I'm getting.
So price of one is now 1.2. So that means how much it is more? How much you're getting more for one chocolate? $1 you got it for one chocolate. Now you're selling one chocolate for $1.20. Then how much you're getting more? $1, one chocolate. Now $1, one chocolate is for $1.20. How much you're getting more?
I'm confused.
Okay, tell me what is your currency? What is the money we use in your country? Naira, am I
It's
correct?
in kwacha. No, kwacha.
Quarter. Okay. Let's say you have 100 quarter for one chocolate. Okay. Now you're selling for 120 quarter for one chocolate. Are you getting more or less?
I'm getting more.
How much more?
20.
That's all. That means 20% you're getting more. Did you get it?
Yeah,
Now
I get it.
10 articles you're selling more. You have not sold the 10 articles, but the difference between them is 10 articles. That means 10 articles is a profit out of 50 articles divided by 50. Always the cost price will be in the denominator. Did you get that? Always the cost price will be there in the denominator into 100. When I want to find whether it is a gain or loss, always the cost price will be there in the denominator, because only I would know whether it is a profit or loss from the cost price. Are you clear with that? So 1 by 5
I'm
is how many
clear.
percentage? 1 by 5 is 20 percentage. That means it's 20 percentage profit. Are you clear with that?
Yeah,
Okay, that's good.
clear.
Yes. Vivian got
Thank
it.
you.
Align. Yeah, you're welcome. Naituriki align. Naituriki align. Are you getting it? Are you getting it? Got it right, beloved. Got it. Vivian got it. Itashana, Treasure, Peter, Adamu. Yeah, Adamu got it. That's nice. Max Smith, I think today is absent. Max Smith is absent today. Chukwara, Krishalni, Adnan, Lasanga is getting it. That's great. Lewis, yes, that was a good question. From where did 50 come? It's given in the question, Lewis. 50 article, 40 article. They got 50 articles. He bought it. Okay, so cost price. He sold it. Victor is clear. I'm happy. It's 40. Now the difference between them is 10. So the cost price is always in the denominator, because I know it's a profit only because of the cost price. I know it's a loss only because of the cost price. So cost price will be always in the denominator. Did you get it? Are you clear with that? Lewis, yes, that's great. So it is 20 percentage profit. Okay, any questions? Danishriya, Emmanuel, Gregory, Patience. Clear, right? Okay, so we have done two topics. It's one is about, oh yeah, sure, I'll share it. So one is about, is it a profit or loss? And the second one is about the percentage, how to use the fraction value to find more or less. Like this, you have plenty of questions to do. Now, today I've given you some questions. For the next class, I would be doing you with further more questions, and we will be completing either 2 to 3 topics, because the same method we can implement over there. Got it? Okay, so please do revise the concept so that we can do it with the next class much more. So can I stop the screen? Thank you, Zuban. Thank you, Line. Thank you, Vivian. Thank you, beloved. I think it got uh, Just a minute. Yes. Thank you very much. That's okay. I think we got delayed by some confusion. Somebody joined and we were confused whether they are there to address or not. So that's fine. So next class we'll ensure that we sort it out early. Okay. So I just want to take you more time, but you have your prayers so that it's fine. For the next class, we'll do it more. Okay. Did you get it? Okay. Thank you very much. Have a great day. Which questions, Vivian? Credit to you, Lewis.